Arrive in style with this 2006 Chrysler Sebring Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, driver adjustable lumbar, floor mats, bucket seats, keyless entry, child safety locks, AC, and adjustable steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.